Stop for a moment. Don't skip this. This message is meant for you. God is saying to you today, my child, I see you. I see the weight you've been carrying, the silent battles no one knows about. I know the nights when you've cried yourself to sleep, and the mornings when it took everything in you just to keep going. You may feel tired, overwhelmed, even broken. But listen closely, you are not alone. I am with you in every moment. In your weakness, I am your strength. In your confusion, I am your peace. And in your pain, I am your healer. I am the one who restores what life has taken from you. I am the one who brings light into your darkest places. Do not believe the lie that your situation will never change. Do not let fear convince you that this is the end of your story. This is not the end. This is the beginning of something new. Even now, I am working behind the scenes, even when you don't see it, even when you don't feel it. I am moving things in your favor. Every tear you've cried, I have collected. Every prayer you whispered, I have heard. Every moment you felt forgotten, I was right there beside you. My beloved, do not give up. The pain you feel today is not wasted. It is shaping you, strengthening you, preparing you. I am turning your pain into purpose, your struggle into strength, and your story into a testimony of hope. You may not understand everything right now, but trust me, I see the bigger picture. I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you peace, not harm, a future filled with hope and restoration. So release your worries into my hands, lay down your burdens. You were never meant to carry them alone. I am renewing your heart, I am healing your mind, and I am restoring your soul. Where there is fear, I will give you courage. Where there is doubt, I will give you faith. Where there is sadness, I will fill you with peace. You are not broken beyond repair. You are being rebuilt with love. And what I am creating in you will be stronger, deeper, and more beautiful than before. So hold on, stay close to me, and trust the process even when it's hard, because I am making all things new in your life. You are chosen, you are loved, and you are never forgotten. I am your healer, your protector, and your everlasting peace, and I will never leave you. If this message touched your heart, comment Amen and share it with someone who needs it today. God bless you.